Hi students, in the previous recorded session we discussed we started the poem Machine by Rudyard Kipling. We recited the poem in the last class and also we got to know about the poet Rudyard Kipling. You know, Rudyard Kipling was born in India in the 1865 in India. Remember kids, 1865 is before independence. We got independence in the year 1947. But here 1865 is before independence and then British were ruling the country. And he was born in India and later moved to England. Then later on he came back to India and started working as a journalist. I told you a journalist is a person who works in print or electronic media. Print in the sense newspaper, magazine. Like you will read the newspaper daily, right? So in that one there will be editor's column, chief editor's column. That news, or you watch the television, their news anchors will be telling the news for you people. They will be reading the news. That is journalist. That person is known as a journalist. Is this clear? And later he started working in India as a journalist. He has written n number of books. Famous novelist King, Puck of Coke Seals, and also he has written short stories, and he won Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1907. There is Nobel Prize for Chemistry, Nobel Prize for Physics, Nobel, like that there is a Nobel Prize for Literature. Literature is nothing but any novel or shorts, like basically it deals with the poems, a collection of poems or collection of poetry or a novel or any autobiographies. It depends like that. Literature is basically deals with the English language, books, novels, short stories, essays, collection of short stories or collection of essays, or it can be essays or letters written from one side to another side or from one person to another person. Or it also includes the translated works. Like if I write a book in Telugu, my work will be translated into English, and then it also comes under translated literature in English only. Okay? So just remember, he got Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1907. Okay? And his famous works are King, Puck of Coke Seals, Just 50 Stories, and Captain Courageous. Okay? Captain Courageous. Captain Courageous and Just 50 Stories. This is a small introduction about the poet as well as machine. The full title of the poem is, you got this right? He was born in the year 1865 in India and his famous work, he came back to India and worked as a journalist and he got Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1907. Okay? Is this clear? Chalo, let me erase this. The actual title of the poem is The Secrets of Machine. This is the actual title of the poem, Machine. Okay? Now, they have given only 5 stanzas for you, but it consists of more than 5 stanzas. But whatever they have given to you, let me go into the detail. So, the first paragraph. So, let me give you a small introduction. Machine or the secrets of machine. It is actually here, the machine is speaking to human beings. Like, if I am a machine, like you imagine me to be a air cooler or washing machine or bulldozer. Like, I am talking to you people. Okay? Or human beings. We were taken from the old bed and mine. We were melted in furnace and pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauged to fit. The first stanza tells here how machines are made. How machines are made. Okay, how machines are made. Example, this is a duster. It has not existed itself. We human beings made this one, isn't it? This pen is also a machine. This pen, we human beings have made it. But how do we make this one? So the poet is telling in the first stanza about how machines are made. As you all know, machines are made up of different forms of metals like iron, copper, zinc, any other metal you take it. Machines are made. You imagine like we are talking about a big machine like a bus or a bulldozer. Imagine, just imagine. Okay? So that bus is made up of like पूरी बस किसमें बनी रहती है? आयरन में बनी रहती है. Like उसकी जो भी बॉडी है वो या तो फिर स्टील में बनी रहती है या तो फिर उसमें ग्लासेस डाले रहती हैं. All things are made up of metal only, isn't it? So machines are made up of different metals. First thing you have to remember. And where do we get these metals? Metals we get in the form of ore in the big mines. Have you heard of KGF, right? KGF is famous for gold mines. Right? Gold mines. वहां से direct gold लेकर को हमको sell नहीं करते. They actually dig that one. Just see. ये mine का को समझो. ठीक है? It is a mine. Here different forms of metals you get it. Example like KGF में gold mine है कि नहीं? तो ऐसे ध्यान से क्या बोले तो अब यहाँ पे आयरन है बोलो. आयरन they dug actually. खोद को आयरन को निकाल दी. And what they do in this is in a big machines. We call it as furnace. FURNACE. तो ये आयरन के लेके जाओ क्या करती है इसमें डाल दी. ये इसका टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा होता है. It is actually a heated oven बोलते हैं. What do we call it? It's like a heated oven. A heated oven. This one. तो क्या करती बोले तो आयरन के लेके जाओ फर्नास में डालती है. फर्नास बॉइल होता है यानी it gets melted. यहाँ से हमें और को निकालने को जब यहाँ पे डालें तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है मेल्ट होता है. मेल्ट होने के बाद here why do it get melts in the sense so that we can cut hammered करे जब से hammered in the sense उसे मार को एक अच्छी तरह से शक्ल में ले जाओ. we give it a proper design और a design. हमने जो शेप में हो ना वो शेप में डाले जाओ. सिंपल सी. Machines are made of different forms of metals and these metals we get it from mines. From mines we take the ore and we put it in furnace and pit so that here this iron is melted and the melted iron can be given in a proper size and shape by cutting or hammering or by taking the measurement. अब मुझे ये शेप में होना बोले तो आयरन हो मैं ये शेप में क्या करना उसको मैं उसको गला को यानी उसको मैं गर्म करूँ. अब लोहा देख लो. एग्जाम्पल घर पर लोहा है तो कुछ गर्म करो. यू हीट इट यू एंड देन यू कैन सी दैट इट हैज मेल्टेड. क्या हो गया मेल्ट हो गया. तो उसे कौन सा वो शेप में क्या करेगा बेंड करेगा. Isn't it? I hope this experiment has been done in your science classes. Okay? Look at this. अब ये एक आयरन है तो अब मैं इसे हीट करेंगे क्या होता है मैं कौन से वो शेप में आराम से I can form it. Right? That we are speaking here. Machines are made of different metals. Metals कहाँ form होती? Here. In the form of ore in mines. Okay? And the ore is taken and melted in furnace. Furnace and pit में क्या करती? अच्छी तरीके से मेल्ट करती. मेल्ट करने के बाद क्या करती? उनको शेप देती. हम ना कौन से होना वो शेप में या तो फिर इसे मेजर कर ले को we give it the shape. That is the first stanza the poet is speaking about. Is this clear, children? Yes. We shall look for the second stanza now. Some water, coal and mine, all we ask, and thousands of an inch, to give us play. Now, if you will set us our task, we will serve you 4 and 24 hours a day. Look at this stanza here. Some water, oil, and coal we ask. अब you will be going somewhere in car, and जब वो कार खराब हो जाती है तो क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट वी पुट इट वाटर, राइट? थोड़ी ठंडी होंगे इंजन बोल को, व्हाट डू वी डू इट? वी पुट सम वाटर, और ऑयल है कि नहीं कि चेक कर लेती, या तो फिर कोल बोले तो अब जैसे कि वी ट्रैवल इन ट्रेन, पहले ट्रेन्स क्या होते थे? ट्रेन्स वर मेड अप ऑफ कोल से के बने होते थे पहले ट्रेन्स, बट नाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में आ गई, isn't it? Now the thing is, only if we give them, like यहाँ पे in the second stanza we are discussing about how do they live, about that, how do they live. Okay, what are the necessities, what are the things that is necessary for machines? Water, oil and coal. And if we give them a task, they can do it for 24 hours also. They'll not get exhausted. Like bus mein, have you seen the buses, right? They travel frequently from, example take it from here to Bangalore, Bangalore to Chintamani, Chintamani to Bangalore, Bangalore to Chintamani. They travel, right? Do they tell that, oh driver, please stop the bus, I'm so tired? Do they tell you? No, right? If I'm writing from this pen, if there is a ink, I can keep on writing for 24 hours a day also. This pen will not get exhausted, but definitely my hands will get pain, isn't it? My hands will get pain, right? Or have you seen big factories and big industries, right? Where the machines will be working for 24 hours a day. क्या बोलती है हमारे हमें मशीना नहीं अम्मा हमरा पावा हाथन दुखती. Usually they tell it right at homes also. Machine के जैसा काम करने बोले तो without any exhaustion they keep on working. अगर whatever the necessary things if we provide them water, coal and oil, and if we maintain it properly, they can work for 24 hours a day. 24 hours indeed they can work. They can work for. अब AC चालू में रखो आप, अगर उससे प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज नहीं बोले तो you can turn on the AC for 24 hours a day also. It keeps on working. It will not tell like I don't want to work or I'll not work it like that. It keeps on working. ठीक है, होता है कि नहीं? तो that how do, if we maintain it properly, we can extract the work. We can take the work for 24 hours also. For a complete day also we can take the work. And in the third stanza, the machines are telling that what and all the work as a machine can do. Firstly, machine we can pull and haul, push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave, heat and light. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. Look at here. We can pull and haul, push and lift and drive. The machine can do all the work. Imagine the machines. Imagine tractor, firstly. Okay. Imagine the stuff. Okay. And also imagine factories, aeroplane, ship. These are all machines only. Okay, these are all machines. See, from tractor we can actually plow the land. हम ज़राती कर सकते हैं. We can take many other things from tractor. From stove we can cook. From light we get light energy. From AC we get cooled by our surroundings. In factories they use it for many things. There are different types of machineries placed in different factories. Like example, in the garments factory they do it for stitching also sometimes, right? In machines only. and they can also put the buttons for shirts or for any cloth if buttons are necessary, right? All the things can be done in the factories. Aeroplane, we can fly in the sky. It is also a type of machine. And from ship we can actually, yes, we can, it's like walking on the water. Ship is also a type of machine, and from there are many other things. Even we can dive in this ocean. Dive, jump mark, we can go up to the depth of the ocean to measure it. So that is also a kind of a machine actually, right? So it can pull कर सकते, खींच सकते, push कर सकते, उठा सकते. आपको कुछ सामान आगे से गिर गया है तो क्या करती है हमें? वेट लिफ्टर को बुलाओ को ऐसा उठाती कि नहीं? हैव यू सीन इट? वेट लिफ्टर को बुलाओ को उठाती कि वो नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ चीज आ करती है. Print, like have you read the newspaper daily or you read the books daily. So print कहाँ से होता है? That is also done by the machine. And weave heat and light. उन्होंने कुछ सी भी सकती, heat हम ना दे. Heat किस में दे सकती? Heater आता right, उसमें heater दे सकती. And light, you see the different types of lights these days. That is also a type of machine. So हम मशीन क्या क्या दे रहे हैं? उन्हें पुल कर सकती हैं, पुश कर सकती हैं, वो कुछ उठा, हमारे हाथ से नहीं वो सी चीजें उठा सकती, इतनी भारी भारी चीजें उन्हें उठा सकती, isn't it? And also they can run, they can jump, उन्हें swim कर सकती. See, swim मतलब directly don't imagine machine swim करती, मतलब हमें उसमें बैठ को कर सकते, आप फ्लाई कर सकती हो. बोले तो एरोप्लेन एक मशीन, राइट? सो लोग उसमें बैठ को फ्लाई कर देंगे बोले तो, सो it can fly wings, and it can dive बोले तो jump मारना पानी में, it can dive. They can see, they can hear, they can count, they can read and write. Have you seen the computer? Computer is also a form of machine. It can read it, just give the instruction, tell Google to read it. Google में जाको बोलो, okay Google read this, it keeps on reading automatically. They hear, they write it actually. Pen is a form of a machine. It keeps on writing. It can count. Calculator ले लो, count कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, right? So you see the computer solving mathematical problems, just insert and click, enter, the problems gets solved. But remember please, the law by which we live, we are not built to see, they can do all the work, but what a machine cannot do? It cannot understand a lie. A machine can read, a machine can write, it can fly, it can jump, it can run, it can pull, it can push, it can howl, it can do anything. But what a machine cannot do? A machine cannot understand a lie. Right? And they are telling, we are not built to comprehend a lie, but remember, whatever, like we have certain laws. हमारे पास कुछ कायदे कानून होते हैं कि हमें ह्यूमन बींग्स इस तरह से बिहेव करना पड़ेगा. But even machines have laws. What are that? It cannot understand a lie. And also, they work according to certain fixed laws. They cannot laugh, show sympathy, forgive. Like just go near a fridge and ask it to love you. Does it do it? Or you just kick on the fridge and ask to say, okay, I'm sorry fridge. Does it forgive you? No, it really doesn't forgive you. We can neither laugh, nor pity, nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. We have seen many cases where उनका कुछ हाथ में को उनकी death होगी, right? We have seen many such cases. It means that the machines work in different laws. They'll not laugh, they are emotionless indeed. There are no feelings. There are no feelings and they are emotionless. Emotionless किसे बोलते हैं? One who cannot love, one who cannot forgive, one who cannot show us sympathy. Right? अब क्या emotionless आदमी भाई रखती भी दिल में रहम मिच नहीं है. मशीन के पास रहम है? बिल्कुल नहीं है. Machines are emotionless. Machines are without feelings. They cannot. They don't even understand what a lie is and what a truth is. And if we don't handle them properly, we may die. Like example, we are traveling by a bus, imagine, and the brakes are not proper, or we did not put the oil in it. What happens? Automatically the engine fails and there are chances that it may slip away. Right? So there what happens? We may die. We must very much careful in handling the machines. Though our smoke may hide the heaven from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again, because for all our power, weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. In the last, it is telling that machines may be, see, look at, they have given a picture indeed here. Just look at this picture. This is a very big machine, but here, the machine itself is saying that we may be very big enough in size, we are very much big in weight, we are very much weighty. But it is actually human beings who have created for us. Machines are telling for human beings that we may be big enough, but it is actually we are less than your brain, children's brain. मतलब एक इंसान ही एक मशीन को बनाए, right? तो जितना भी मशीन बड़ी हो, if it stop just one switch, if we stop it, it will stop. If it turn on, it will start working again. मतलब we are the owners, right? So if we handle them properly, we can save it. But machine is telling that it is actually only that we may be mighty enough, we may be powerful enough to hide the smoke. मतलब जो चिमनी से जो धुआं निकलते कि उससे क्या होता है, आसमान पूरा जाको काला हो जाता है. बट जरा टाइम के बाद फिर we can see the stars, we can see the sky, we can see the moon, right? We can see it, right? Yes, because they may be powerful to hide the sky, but after some times it gets clear out and we can see the stars and sun and moon again. Because it is human beings created for machine, not the machine created for human beings. एक इंसान ये पेन को बनाया, ये इंसान एक चॉक को बनाया, इंसान एरोप्लेन को बनाया, शिप को बनाया, फैक्ट्रीज को, और फिर एसीज को, स्टाफ्स को, ट्रैक्टर्स को, right? So the machine is telling that we may be big enough, but we are very small when compared to human brains. उनके पास इतनी ज्यादा ताकत है कि they can either build it or they can either destroy. Here the poet completes the poem. They have given 5 stanzas for you. Please watch this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through my WhatsApp, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channels for more updates on this. Yes, Academy. Bye bye. Take care. Study well. Bye.